Steps to manually unlock my Sensi st55 thermostat.
Where in your home is your Emerson thermostat installed? How old is it?
Installed in main hallway and 1 to 2 years old.
How long has this been going on with your Emerson thermostat? What have you tried so far?
A week, removed batteries for an entire day and still automatically goes to locked.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Not that I know of.
Hello, do you have the Sensi app on your phone?
It was on a diff phone that I no longer have access to.
Okay, just a moment. It was a lot to type, so I'm forwarding a thread of how to unlock without app. https://www.thermostastic.com/how to unlock Emerson thermostat/. If the info is wrong for your unit, you will need to download an app on another phone, connect to thermostat and then unlock from app.
Okay. I will try that. It wants me to go to menu and mode, but it is locked and won't do that.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.